In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off business chat in Instagram. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, you have to come to your profile, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you will see an interface like this. So from this interface, first of all you should know that the business chat feature of Instagram is an integrated feature within the professional mode of Instagram. If your account is professional account, you will definitely see the business chat option in Instagram. But if you want to turn it off, you will have to switch your account from a professional account to a personal account. So to do that, what you will have to do is to simply click on professional dashboard, which is present right below your bio. Now, on your professional dashboard, you will be able to see the insights and the tools that you get with your professional account, but you have to ignore them and simply click on the settings icon, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now on the settings, you will see an option that says switch account type. So you very simply have to tap on it. Now two options will be visible to you. First option is the switch to personal account. So you very simply have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you have to confirm and tap on switch to personal account. By doing this, you will be able to easily switch your account from a professional account to a personal account, and the business chat feature of Instagram will surely be removed. So everyone, as you guys can see that the professional dashboard of my Instagram account has been removed. That means that this account is no longer a professional account, which will automatically disable or turn off the business chat feature of Instagram. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.